We all know that feeling. A trade is going well and you're feeling elated and anticipating taking profits. And then, out of seemingly nowhere, it tanks. Man, it's frustrating. And if this has happened to you, maybe once, maybe many times, just know you're not alone. And you might be wondering, why did this happen? It turns out there are 3 common reasons why trades stop working. Once you learn these 3 reasons, it will be easier for you to analyze your past trades and figure out what went wrong. But more importantly, once you learn these 3 reasons why trades stop working, you'll be better able to prevent a trade from going south in the first place because you'll start to recognize the warning signs. So let's dive in. Here are the 3 most common reasons why people's trades stop working. Reason number 1, why your trade stopped working. The trade is simply just played out. It has already reached a level of resistance and you just didn't realize it. To avoid this, you need to learn how to identify patterns on stock charts. These patterns can help you see where investors tend to buy and sell a stock. If you can't see the pattern, it's probably best to steer clear of the trade because you can't see where the stock tends to hit resistance and turn to go down. Reason number 2, why your trade stopped working. Earnings announcements dropped a bomb on your trade. See, earnings announcements are times when the company reveals just how great they were at making money for the last 3 months. These announcements can happen at almost any time, but generally they're released before or after market hours and most often in the months of January, April, July, and October. Now here's what you need to know. It doesn't matter if the earnings announcement was good or bad. The stock can do just about anything around an earnings announcement. Even if it's a great report, it can tank. Or if it's a bad report, it can soar. All you need to know is that often stocks get very drastic around these earnings announcements. You know, we have our own trading platform called Charts by TRADEway, and it has so many awesome features. But one of the things that's really cool is that it gives you when the next earnings date is going to occur, so you're not left guessing as to when that's going to happen. It's just right there in front of you, and it's a huge time saver. That way you don't have to go looking for it in Google or search engines of any kind. Reason number 3, why your trade stopped working. The news tanked your stock. Maybe it was an analyst upgrade or a downgrade. Maybe the Federal Reserve changed their monetary policy or only promised to change. Maybe the unemployment numbers were really bad, and for some reason your stock was heavily influenced by the news. Whatever the reason, here's what you need to know. Some news matters and some news doesn't. Learning what news actually matters can help you prepare for potential threats to your stock trade. This is something we cover in the Unlock the Stock Market Challenge. So take some time to watch what kind of news items tend to really affect your trades and which kinds seemingly have no effect at all. Make a list of the news that matters and a list of the news that doesn't. That way, when the news breaks, you can be prepared so that your trade doesn't break with it. If you want to learn more, book a call with us. If you've ever tried trading and failed or been too scared to try trading, or if you've even just been curious and thought, is this really for me? Then you're in the right place at the right time. We want to invite you to book a call with our team to explore what's possible. When you book a call, here's what will happen. You'll get a complimentary one-on-one consultation. We'll get to know you and your financial goals, and we'll walk you through the ways our stock trading education could help you and your family reach those goals, maybe much sooner than you think. Book your call now at tradeway.com/call. That's tradeway.com/call.